How to save video to files on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can save video to the Files app on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to save video to files on your iPhone, all you have to do is, let's say that there is a certain video over here which is maybe on your Photos app, let's say for example, and that maybe you would like to save them to your Files app instead. So for that, what you have to do is, from the bottom left you'll find a little share icon which is the export button. Make sure to tap on that option there, and then just scroll down here. You'll find one of the option that says save to files. So all you have to do is tap on save to files option and just select the location where you would like to save them. Tap the save option from the top right, and then that particular video will also be saved to your Files app on iPhone. This way you can save video to files on iPhone. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.